Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use USAA insurance step by step clearly. To start using USAA insurance, visit the USAA website or download the mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. You'll need to provide your personal information and military affiliation if applicable. Once your account is created, log in to your dashboard. Explore the various insurance options available, including auto, home, and renter's insurance. Select the type of insurance you're interested in. For auto insurance, you'll need to provide details about your vehicle, including make, model, and input your driving history, including any accidents or claims. Once you've submitted this information, USAA will generate a quote for you. Review the coverage options and adjust them based on your needs. You can also add optional coverage like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. After selecting your coverage, proceed to the payment section. Choose your payment method, whether that's a credit card, bank transfer, or another option. Complete your payment to activate your policy. If you want to manage your policy, return to the dashboard anytime. Here, you can make changes, report claims, or request customer service assistance. To file a claim, navigate to the Claims section on the dashboard. Follow the prompts to provide details about the incident. Upload any necessary documentation or photos of the incident for a smoother process. Once submitted, you can track the status of your claim directly on your account. If you have questions at any point, consult the FAQ section or contact customer support. Explore the resources available for tips on safe driving, home security, and disaster preparedness. Stay informed about policy updates or changes through notifications on the app or website. Using USAA insurance can be comprehensive, but their user-friendly platform makes it manageable. Take advantage of their educational tools to better understand your coverage options and benefits. By following these steps, you'll efficiently navigate the USAA insurance process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.